What's going on, everyone? Welcome back. Desten here with another Switch review video. Today we'll be covering the Orange Boi Linear Switches from Keygeek. Said to be some of Keygeek's clackier switches, and from a personal experience, they definitely are. Similar to the B1 Linears, these are extremely high-pitched, full-on sound, and nice and clacky. Coming in at $3.50 a pack, with each pack consisting of 10 switches. Being Keygeek's second switch to come with an N1 Nylon housing, definitely has some great sound. These are linear switches manufactured by Keygeek. Stem material consists of an M4 palm blend, top housing is a PA12, bottom housing is an N1 Nylon with 10% fiberglass. They operate at a 40 grams, bottom out at a 48 grams. Pre-travel of 2.0 millimeters with a total travel of 3.6 millimeters. A 20mm single stage spring Japanese wire, coming factory lubed. While I'm not trying to gas the switches up, I haven't found any issues. Extremely consistent with the lubing, extremely consistent on the sound, some phenomenal switches. Using that cherry style switch opener, crack these switches open and take a closer look. Top housings in a nice cream white, consisting of PA12. M4 palm blend stem material, consisting in an orange colorway, a single stage spring Japanese wire coming in at 22 millimeters, and lastly our N1 Nylon bottom housings with 10% fiberglass. Upon a closer look, they should be called the Creamsicles. They're a 5-pin PCB mount switch coming factory lubed. Let's go ahead and take a listen. Overall, some great high-pitched clack coming from these switches. Test on the tolerances, no vertical wobble happening, no horizontal wobble happening. Housings seem nice and tight and they don't require any films, and the feel is nice and light, so there's no need to spring swap. Judging how they do fit, I can say you could probably get away with a plateless build. Up next, we'll compare them against other clacky switches. For a sound test today, we're using the Neo 75 CU, no foams, carbon fiber plate, Orange Boi Linears with Keykobo white on black with accents.